Hi, my name is Omead Ahdieh. I'm a designated support engineer with FireEye, and today I'll be talking to you about 3 ways you can use your CMS to manage disk space on your appliances to prepare for guest image and OS update installs. Now we can do this with the CMC execute command. Now in this case I'm going to target the NX group, but if you're not sure which sysgroup name to use here, you can use a question mark to give you the options. So I'll be doing web MPS, which is equivalent to the NX, and then command, and then the command that I want to execute. So in this case, I want to delete that specific image against all my NXs that are managed by the CMS. So when we hit enter, it will give us an example of running through that. Now, another way to clear space is by removing any retired or partial guest image downloads. And we can do that by reusing part of the previous command. So here, rather than the image delete, we'll do a guest images purge. And there are 2 options there. The first one is partial download. And then we can hit enter after closing the quotes. And then the other option is to purge retired versions. And we close that quote and hit enter and run that against all the managed NXs. Now, if that's not enough space cleared to allow you to install a new guest image or OS update on your appliances, you can look at clearing any old backups or log bundles that may exist on those individual appliances. Now that you've used your CMS to clear space on your managed appliances, you should have room to install new guest images and OS updates. Stay tuned for new tips and tricks on FireEye products.